theater mode. This is their guy JinKies. When we all decided to lag. This is 57 seconds of him. He's not skipping or anything. And then all of a sudden he just sits there and lays down. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. I mean, it's obvious he's IP flooding us. He's IP flooding the host, which was our host, and then look, out of nowhere it starts glitching. Look at it, it's glitching everywhere now. IP flooded, and then he starts glitching. And look, he has no problem killing me. No problem killing me at all. I mean, it's an IP flood. Thanks, GB.